Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it. And if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. We've got only two different options, 720p, which is currently applied. As you can see, it is highlighted, and all we can do is to pick 480p. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record a video. Of course, it's up to you, but to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option applied, as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.